Hi, welcome to Haven of Excellence. This is mathematics. It came last year, 2025. It was on question 10b. This question, mostly when you look at it, someone may say, but I need a calculator to do this. But this is paper one here, you don't need a calculator. You don't use a calculator, in as much as you may need a calculator. Then, this question is coming from mensuration about the sector and the like. So the question says the diagram shows a sector P, CP there, POQ. PQ subtends an angle of 45 degrees at the center. As we are seeing here, this is 45 degrees. Then they have gone further to say, given that the area of POQ, the area of this whole sector there is 77 centimeters squared. Calculate the radius of the sector. Take pi to be 22/7. How then can this question be solved without using a calculator? So under sectors and under mensuration, we learned about how you can find the perimeter and the area, of which the area is given to be the angle theta divided by 360 times pi r squared. This is the formula that you are going to use whenever you are asked, whenever there is something to do with area of a sector. This is the formula that you use. Then the area we are given to be 77 equals to angle. The angle we are given to be 45 divided by 360 from the formula there, times the pi, which we are given to be 22/7, then times radius squared, just like that. Now, we are doing this without using a calculator. So we need to analyze, how do we solve this question without using a calculator? We know that in 36, 90 goes in how many times? 90 in 9 in 36. Okay, let's do this. We can look for the largest possible number that can go in 45 and 36 without leaving a remainder. Now, we know that 9 in 45, it goes in 9 in 45 goes in how many times? It goes in 5 times. Then 9 in 36, because 9 times 5 you get, 9 times 4. 9 times 4 you get 36, which means 9 in 36 goes in 4 times, but there's a 0 there, so it becomes 40. Then go ahead to say 22/7 times r squared. Still we are going, because we are not using a calculator, so it's 77 equals to 5. Now 5 here, how many times does it go? It goes in 1 time. Then 5 in 40, it goes in 8 times, times 22 divided by 7 r squared. Still, without using a calculator, we are saying now, at least now we know there's a number that can go in 22 and 8 without leaving a remainder, and that number happens to be a 2. So 2 here goes in 4 times. 2 here goes in 11. 2 here 1, 2 there 1. So it goes in 11/7 times r squared. Now here, this is where you get to multiply everything. So we have 7 equals to 1 times 11 times r squared. It gives us 11 r squared divided by. Now, because this is paper 1, the easier answer, don't multiply the down thing. We know 4 times 7 times 1, it will give us 4 times 7. It's the same thing here. There's nothing that I've changed. Over 1. Then we can, when we reach here, we can now cross multiply. So we know The reason why I don't want to put my answer here 28 is because I may have problems to work them out in order to find R. So I want to keep them just like this. So it's 11R squared times 1, I get 11R squared. I get 11R squared equals to, now we have 77 times what we are seeing here, because we are cross multiplying, so it's 4, this 4, times 7, this 7, just like that. Then I want to remain with R squared. I need to divide both sides by 11, even here by 11. We are trying to solve this without using a calculator. This is why I'm doing all this. So the 11 and the 11 goes, we have R squared equals to, now we have 7, 7, then we have 11 here, which is a sign for us to say 11 in 77 will go in, because even if I say with. So whenever you are getting a number that has got 1, 1, it means, and these are 7s, it means 11 in 77, it means it goes in 7 times. So you have 7 times 4 times 7 there. This one would have gone. So we have R squared equals to, now 7 times 7, this time around you're supposed to know this, it's 49. Then 49 times 4, it gives us 196. We are looking for radius, which is R, and not radius squared. So we are going to introduce the square root on both sides there. So we have R equals to, now you need to understand, you need to train yourself to find the perfect squares from 1 up to 20. 1 times 1, 1, 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 4, 16, 5 times 5, 25, you need to know all those things. So when you reach here, you discover that the answer there is actually 14. So by so doing, you would have found the value for R without using a calculator. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate. Just subscribe to this YouTube channel. We'll get to interact more. You can also get in touch with me on WhatsApp, which is 0971 40 76 24. Thank you for watching.